my smart self literally recorded this clip and it's all in slow-mo. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. My name is Judi, and today we are going to be doing an organization video. This video is inspired by Home Edit. Like, a lot of their tips and tricks that they talk about really motivated me to find a home and categorize things together. I did what works for me. That is the point of everything that I share. It's just to find what works for you, solve your pain points. And my pain point in this video is literally my space, my beauty room, my room where I keep all my clothes. I was not able to truly find something to wear every single day because I was just consumed by looking at the same thing because everything was so unorganized. I would literally wash my clothes and everything would just be recycled back into me wearing them, versus having my clothes organized, color coordinated, and being able to see what I have to wear what I have. Same thing with my shoes. They were hidden. I couldn't see them. I couldn't find them usually, and I would always wear the same sneakers every single day. When I first started filming this video, I was very motivated and inspired. But in the middle of starting to film this, my mom told me that my grandma passed away. So in this video, you're gonna see that I had a decent mess to clean. But from that moment, a week and a half later, this room really got messy. Like, it was a mess in here. And so that's why you're gonna see the room going from clean to super messy to clean again. As a mom, I truly want to emphasize this, and I talk to the moms that I work with, and I really express to them, learn to prioritize differently every single day. We tend to do the same thing and prioritize our kids and our family all the time. For me, that would look like cleaning the entire house, dumping everything that belongs in this room, and chucking it away and saying, oh, I'll clean that tomorrow. I'll make that a priority tomorrow. But knowing darn well, tomorrow I would have to still clean up my house. I would still have to show up for my husband. I would still show up for my daughter. And then I wouldn't clean my space, which then led me to have a messy place, to not know what to wear, to just not take care of myself the way I desire. I really want to stress to people that, for people to understand that whenever you are feeling a negative emotion, it's not for you to move away from it. It's for you to press on and find a solution for it. So that's exactly what I did in this video for this room. So sometimes prioritizing you means leaving your house a mess, which is what I did in this video. My house was pretty messy the couple days that I spent cleaning this room, because I knew I needed to prioritize my cleaning time for this room, because I mattered too in those moments. And I knew that I was going to be able to give my husband and my daughter a better version of me if I took care of myself. Same thing goes with doing my nails and giving myself facials. I'm going to share a self-care video coming up, but same principles apply there. When you prioritize yourself, sometimes, not all the time, not in a selfish way, when you prioritize yourself to take care of the things that are important to you, to spend time with God, to just do whatever really brings you closer to who God has called you to be, you're able to serve your household a lot differently. So in this video, I show you just that. I'm going to be organizing my space, and at the end, girl, the results are amazing. I really am so happy with this room. Actually, I actually did change this room up. This room was simply just my dress up room. I had my dressers with my makeup. But another pain point that I solved this week, and I'll talk more about it in another video, is my daughter being at my desk on a constant basis because it was downstairs in the open area. So I moved it in this room, and I'll show you guys what I did. I still have to figure out and how to organize all this stuff, so bear with me when it comes to that. But you guys are going to see how much I transformed this room already and how much I plan on continuing to transform this room. So if you're interested in that video or in this video, please keep watching. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys right now cleaning this room. So my closet space is really good. Like, I just don't know what to do with it. The shoes, I don't see them often, so I don't wear them. So like, I'm just trying to see what I can do to make my closet work so that I can see my clothes and wear my clothes. So we're working on that right now. So this is the best I can do with the shoes right now. These are basically sandals and heels that I barely wear, but these are the shoes that I want to see to wear. And then I have boots here that I am really interested in wearing this season in the fall. So I'm hoping that I can truly, I'm gonna see if I can find my little camera that I have to take pictures of them and put them on the outside of the box so that I can remember what those are versus needing to take them out each and every single time to wear them. So this is my space and I'm so happy it's done. I gotta like fix that. I don't know how, but I gotta fix those. We're gonna start here and just work our way around. I created this functional, like, this is my everyday, what I've been using on my face lately. This Duval brush, they sent it to me and I'm excited to continue to use it. My skin has been acting up, which is why I haven't shared it with you guys. It's been acting up from acne, face mask, acne. And also I think I'm going through like a hormonal stage, so I haven't shared this with you guys yet, but I will. But I really like it so far. Just my CeraVe moisturizer, rose water, and then I have these two that I've been really working on using on my skin right now. So created a basket for that because I was always thrown on here. I gotta wipe that down still. I switched my dresser. This is all my lower half, so this is like all my pants. I folded them nicely. All my jeans, I'm able to see it, take it out. I don't have any more jeans other than that. I love that. I put all my glasses in here. I know this is crazy. I love glasses. Half of these I purchased, half of them were sent to me. I really want to share these with you guys too. They sent me these glasses and I've been wearing them. I really love them. Very much so, pleasantly surprised by a couple things, but I'll share them with you guys in another video. But yes, I have a video, 2 drawers full of glasses. Next, like, I have my bras in this drawer, and then I have my t-shirts in this drawer, in tank tops, like nicely folded because I was struggling with that. Then I have like my everyday stuff, makeup brushes, random little basket, sponges. Yeah, I decided to put this here because I think it's much more functional and it stays there. I can plug it in and use it without having to take it out every single time. These, I have not organized them fully, but they are primarily organized. I did clean my makeup out. I have a huge bag of like unused makeup that I'm gonna give my sister and my mom, but I just haven't given it to them yet. Here is another dramatic change. I really cleaned this out. You guys seen the before. This is the after, and I love the way it came out. I also made this very much so functional. I put all my serums on this side. I put my cleansers on this side, face mask in here, like the sheet mask and the eye patches, and then in this one I put like the teeth detoxing mask, peeling mask, cleaning that up. And then I just organized this a little bit. It's always been organized, but just put them like nicely together. And then lastly, my closet. It was a disaster. You guys seen the before, and this is the after. I'm really happy with the way it is. I have a few hangers left here. I need some more black ones because I've been using all black, as you guys can tell, and I really like it. But back there I have just like primarily dresses and things like that I wear, but then I have it color coordinated to see if this will help me be more functional and create more outfits. And then I just have sweaters and like my blazers here, and then I folded all the scarves, hats are all in here, and then just 2 purses. And then I have my shoes down there. Again, all these things I'm just testing out just to see if it helps me be more organized. Up here, another thing that I had always floating around were my mask. Let me turn this off. I always had this floating around, so I gave it a home because I was tired of having it floating around. So this goes up here, nicely hidden, and then that is my nail stuff up there. But I'm really happy with the way it came out. Nice and clean. I don't love the way this looks, but I wanted to change it up. I didn't want Malia going back there, so I did that because she can't really fit back there. And then on this side, she can't really fit back there. So I didn't want her going over there anymore. I have so much more to clean up, but I'm so happy that my space, I prioritize myself right now. So let's get the house clean.